It's autumn here in Switzerland, and it's beautiful. And when I look around, I see a tree in yellow, a group of trees in rustic brown, a tree in green, and a river flowing by so clean. And I want you to think about, we all experience autumn in life. And to me, autumn is a sign to let go. Things that were once so important to us, things, people, and everything else, when autumn hits, they begin to cast away, they begin to disappear. And in that moment, at times we all feel low and lonely. And looking at nature, I feel autumn is very special. It might appear that we are losing something. However, it's the prep for a new life. After autumn, it's winter. And after winter, it's spring again. And I just want you to remember that just like nature, we all experience autumn in our own unique ways. So your autumn, your let go might feel different from my let go. And no matter what you are losing or whatever is leaving you, remember, spring is knocking at the door. So stay calm, be aware,